Once I have my source card created with my information, I am now able to start taking notes from that. So in my menu here, if I hover over note cards, I'm going to go down to the tabletop view and select that. You can see here that I have 2 note cards I took, one on spotting fake news and one on how to lateral read. To create a new note card, I will click New Note Card in the upper right corner, and NoodleTools will ask me to create a title for the note card, to identify the source the information is coming from, and then also there's a place for me to put a direct quote. So what did the source say exactly? There's a section for me to put that into my own words or to paraphrase or summarize to help me understand the information. And then a section for me to draw some conclusions or to draw some connections or to even ask questions. So I want to model this for you. So I'm going to use the article, How to Spot Fake News. So for my title, I might add steps to spot fake news. And then I'm going to select the source. So this was the How to Spot Fake News article. So I'm just going to hover over that and select it so it's here. Now this note card is linked to this source, so I can easily access the source whenever I need to. So now what I need to do is to go into my article and start reading. And then when I find something that's of interest to me or of importance to me, I can copy that information and I can paste it into my note card. So this here, it says, if I just skip down, it says check the author, right? So I might read through this whole entire article, or this whole entire paragraph and say, hey, guess what? That's really important. So I'm going to select that section and I'm going to go into my note card. Under my direct quote, I'm going to put this here. So that is straight from the text. I actually might also put quotation marks around it to tell myself that this is straight from the text. Okay. I also can highlight information that I think is important. So this is telling me to check the author. I think that's pretty important, so I'm going to highlight it. So now in my own words, I'm going to use bullets again. I need to investigate the author of the article. I want to see if they're a credible source, right? So I might then put in my ideas, I'm going to bullet this again. An expert, or are they a real person, right? Those are things that I might look at as I'm thinking about this article. I can also go back to the other part of the article and pull more information. I would copy it, paste it into the direct quote, and then add to the paraphrase or summarize, and then click on my ideas. When I'm finished with this, I will save and close. And what you'll notice is this new note card will automatically go to the upper left corner of my tabletop view. So I will need to click the note card and drag it anywhere on this that I need. So I can organize these however I want. Okay, I can group them, I can color code them. I can say I want all of my How to Spot Fake News in orange. Okay, so when in doubt, if you're all of a sudden saying, where are my note cards, just start dragging down whatever's in the upper left corner here. If I go back to my source look, I will now see that for this article, How to Spot Fake News, I have 2 note cards in my project from this source.